Hello guys, in this video I will show you a trick before like you are naming or getting the name of your market brand or just startup or someone. Before making that, just please make sure that the name itself of the domain name it is available. It is really important guys because somewhere somehow random dudes purchasing domain names with popular names and then they are selling with like multiple by 10, 100 of the normal price. So all what you need to go, which is just type domain name shaker, and then here I will use Namecheap. And then here, guys, just for let's say you taki solution.com, which is beast mode boost. There you go, guys. I have my brand name or my just channel name. I just want one day to create for domain name with it. It is really hard for me, so actually it is available. I can do something with it, and there is a lot of domain names that it is already available and so on. So please guys, this step is really important.